Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about building your first website or starting a blog, DreamHost is one of the most reliable and beginner-friendly options out there. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sign up, go over every plan and feature, walk you through the DreamHost dashboard, and show you 2 ways to launch your WordPress site manually or with DreamHost AI Website Builder. The first thing you want to do to get started with DreamHost is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to DreamHost, and so you can take advantage of getting up to 75% off DreamHost web hosting plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from DreamHost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome DreamHost discount. Let's dive right in. DreamHost has been officially recommended by WordPress for over a decade. They're known for fast load times, strong uptime, and transparent pricing with no hidden renewal tricks. Plus, every plan comes with a free domain, SSL, and automated backups, which makes it great for beginners. DreamHost offers 3 main web hosting plans: Launch, Growth, and Scale. If you need more power, they also have DreamPress Managed WordPress Hosting, VPS, and dedicated server options. For most beginners, the web hosting launch plan is a perfect starting point. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the DreamHost web hosting page. Scroll down to where you see length of subscription in the web hosting plan showing. If you click 1 year under length of subscription, from the drop-down, you can choose the term for your DreamHost hosting purchase. You can choose between 4 years, 2 years, 1 year, and monthly. The monthly option doesn't come with a free domain name. Any of the annual terms comes with a free domain name. Once you select the term you like, scroll down to the plans. You'll see 3 different plans: the Web Hosting Launch, Web Hosting Growth, and Web Hosting Scale plan. All plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. The Web Hosting Launch plan comes with 25 websites, 40,000 monthly visits, 25 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free 20 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, and free domain for 1 year. The Web Hosting Growth plan comes with 50 websites, 200,000 monthly visits, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free, 40 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, and a free domain for 1 year. The Web Hosting Scale comes with 100 websites, 400,000 monthly visits, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free, 60 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, and a free domain for 1 year. Once you decide on a plan and term, click the Sign Up Now button. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Web Hosting Launch plan. You'll now be on the Choose a Domain page. If you went with an annual term, then you get a free domain name with your DreamHost purchase. You'll see you can choose a domain later, register a new domain, or enter a domain if you already have one. If you aren't sure on a domain name now, click Choose a Domain Later and DreamHost will create a temporary domain for you to use. And you can choose a domain name in the DreamHost dashboard after you've purchased DreamHost hosting. To register a new domain, click this and you can type in a domain name that you'd like. Click the search icon. If it's available, it'll say congrats, your domain is available. Click the Add button. If you already have a domain name from another domain register, click the Already Have a Domain, enter the domain. Once you select one of these options, you'll now be on the Secure Checkout page. Over on the right hand side, you'll see Domain Privacy showing free. DreamHost offers free domain privacy with all domain names registered with them. This protects your personal information showing in the public whois database so that spammers and telemarketers don't get a hold of your information to flood your email or phone with offers of their services. DreamHost will show its default contact information instead of yours. You'll see a few additional DreamHost options they offer here. All these are optional and I'll go through them at the bottom of this page. Feel free to unselect anything now if you want to. Next, enter your card information. DreamHost also allows payments via PayPal. Below this section, you'll enter your billing information and click the Add Credit Card button if you chose to pay via a credit or debit card. You'll now be at the Account Setup section where you'll want to enter your account information to be used for your DreamHost account. If you scroll down, you'll see Preferred Data Center Location. Click from the drop-down and you can choose your preferred data center you'd like to use. DreamHost will make every effort to use it, though availability may vary. In the next section, you can select additional options such as DreamShield Protect, DreamHost SEO Toolkit, and DreamHost Email. All these additional options are completely optional and up to you whether or not you want any. DreamShield Protect will scan your website regularly to monitor its reputation and to find any malicious code, malware, out-of-date software, broken permissions, and more on your site. If anything is found, you are notified via email and in your DreamHost panel. If your site is scanned and your site is clean, you'll also be notified via email and in the DreamHost panel. This add-on is optional. The next additional option is DreamHost SEO Toolkit. SEO Toolkit will give you guidance on things you can change or do within your site to make it more visible in search engines. SEO Toolkit will provide you with do-it-yourself tools, insights, and a personalized step-by-step SEO plan. Completely optional. The next additional option is DreamHost Email, which will give you a professional, reliable email address ending in your domain name. It includes 25 GB storage per mailbox, spam virus filtering, ad-free webmail, and mobile access. Next, you can choose to unselect or select the sign up to receive personalized tips, product announcements, and special offers via email. Next, click the Submit Order button to complete your DreamHost purchase. DreamHost will now email you your receipt. I'm here in the DreamHost dashboard. It's clean, minimal, and very beginner friendly. Let's get to know the DreamHost dashboard. From the DreamHost dashboard homepage, if you want to manage a website, click Websites in the left side menu. Click Manage Websites. This will show you the list of sites you have. Click Manage. You'll now be on the dashboard page where you will have access to a bunch of features and settings for your site. If you click Content, it'll give you features you can access here, along with backups for your site. If you click Traffic, it'll give you insights into your site traffic. Security gives you access to security settings. If you click Settings, you can access different settings for your site. You'll see in the left side menu under Websites, you can click SFTP Users and Files. You'll see File Manager here if you need to access the File Manager. If you click Domains, you'll see you can easily manage your domain registrations. If you click WordPress, you can easily install WordPress. If you click Mail, you can easily manage your email. If you click Billing and Account, you can easily manage your account, manage payments, view invoices. If you click Business Tools, you'll get helpful business tools completely free, like a business planner, AI Business Advisor, and Content Builder. You can easily create a profile here to begin getting personalized recommendations on your business. You can access the AI Business Advisor and start asking it what you need. You'll see Content Builder, where you can begin creating your own content. If you click Support in the left side menu, you can easily contact support. You can easily access the DreamHost knowledge base to find answers or questions you have regarding DreamHost or how to do something. The More tab will give you more options you can choose from if you need any of them. If you click Pro Services, you'll see a bunch of Pro Services you can pay for, and the DreamHost team will complete that service for you. Now that you know your way around the dashboard, let's move on to the fun part, creating your website. To do that, we'll install and set up WordPress. Over on the left side menu, click WordPress. From the drop-down, click Install WordPress. You'll see the Start WordPress installation here. You can click the Choose the Domain Name to choose the domain name for the WordPress install. Click the Install WordPress button. Next, you'll choose how you want to set up your website. You'll see two options, Liftoff Website Builder by DreamHost and Custom Installation. Both use WordPress as the foundation for your site. If you'd rather install WordPress yourself, use your own theme and build your site separately from the DreamHost Website Builder, choose Custom Installation. If you choose the Liftoff Website Builder, DreamHost AI will guide you through a few quick questions about your business or website goals and automatically create a starter WordPress site for you, complete with pages and a design you can customize later. It's great if you want to get online fast without building everything from scratch, but for this tutorial, we'll go with Custom Installation so you can see how to install and set up WordPress yourself step by step. Click the Next button. Next, you can select a purpose for a guided WordPress install. You can select one if you'd like. I'm going to select none for this tutorial. Click the Next button. Next, you'll see recommended plugins to choose for your WordPress site. I recommend keeping everything that it has selected for this. Click the Confirm Install button. It'll begin installing WordPress. This doesn't take long. Once it is done, you'll see WordPress has been successfully installed. DreamHost will now email you your login details so you can log into WordPress. To access WordPress from your DreamHost dashboard, click Manage Websites on the left menu, then find your site and click Manage. You'll see a button that says Log into WordPress. Click that to open your WordPress dashboard. From here, you can start customizing your site, install plugins, add pages, and choose your design. I recommend starting with Yoast SEO or RankMath for search optimization, Elementor for design and layout customization, and remember, the link below gives you a DreamHost discount and a free domain for your first year. And that's it. You've now set up DreamHost and built your first website using WordPress. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web hosting tutorials, and comment below what website you're building.